Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I will show you a full tutorial on new Zoho app, Zoho Vani, a perfect tool for whiteboarding. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And now let's dive into the tutorial. So we'll start from the very beginning. When you just open Vani app, you will see the home page. Here you will see all of the spaces that have been created, and the first one is basically a tutorial that will show you how to use this app, which is very useful so your team can learn how to use it. On the left side, you have the menu. Here you can see all of the spaces, favorites, draft spaces, shared spaces created by you or created by others, and also all of the templates. You can search for a specific template like SWOT analysis or scroll through all of them. There's a lot of different types that are very useful. All of them are also grouped by categories, so the templates for strategy and planning, brainstorming, research and ideation, project planning, meetings, workflows, and icebreakers and water coolers, which is very useful. There is a huge library of all of the different templates that are very useful for any team out there, and you can use all of them in your spaces and multiple of them in your spaces. I will show you how to use the templates and customize it to your needs a bit later, but let's go back to the home page, and on the left side you will also be able to see in the menu unassigned spaces, so you can see which spaces have not been assigned to the users. Going back to the home page, you can see some of the filters like shared with filter or sort by when you have a lot of projects. That comes in handy. There are also some of the buttons, for example a bell button where you can see all of the notifications, and an import button, which is very important because you can import all of the workspaces, for example from Miro, Jamboard, Visio or Draw.io, and they will be imported to your Vani app, which is very useful. So if you're moving from another app, you can do this very easily. Another thing that you can set up are preferences, for example, for your cursor personality. If you're working with a bigger team, you can identify who is who, like clicking on stuff or commenting. There's mouse and trackpad preferences and notification preferences. And there are some additional preferences like snap to objects, show templates, auto-capitalized letters, or automatically format numbered lists as you type. And you can set it up all in here. Moving on to the settings of Vani. So when you open up the settings, you can see the team settings. You can see all of the people that are within your team, the requests to join your team, and you can invite more people. And there's also a tab of policy where you can set up different preferences, and where I would suggest turning on the usage of Vani AI because it's a very useful feature, and I will show you how it works a bit later. In the settings, you can also find audit logs, your plans and billing. Vani is absolutely free, but you can move on to a pretty cheap pricing plan, which is only €5 per person per month, which is the best value for money on the market. And also there is a settings of API keys where you can generate an API key. Now let's move on to the tutorial within the workspace, and let's create a new workspace. So whenever you create a new workspace, you can see all of the templates that Vani offers you to use. You can scroll through them and choose the one that you want to use. You can also preview a template so you can see how it actually looks like, and then add it to the workspace. Using templates in Vani is very easy because they come with an instruction of how to use it. So if you haven't ever used a SWOT analysis for your marketing efforts, you will know how to use it with the instructions from Vani. All of these templates are fully customizable, so you can change all of the colors into gradients or different types of patterns as a background for different elements. You can change all of the text, add additional elements, and they are again fully customizable, which is great. You can also change the shape of different objects. You can add tables, you can change the fonts and how it looks like visually and within the contents, which is very useful. So you can customize the pre-designed template to the needs of your business, so it is more visually pleasing. Another great feature, as you can see, is that AI is being built in Vani, and you can summarize the text that you see in your template or in your whiteboard, or rewrite it changing the tone of voice, which is very useful because it is an inbuilt function. But that's not all. let's go back to the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen and find Vani AI there. So Vani AI can also help you generate a mind map, a flowchart, or any type of content for your workspace, or summarize the text or the work that you already have in here. So let's try to generate a mind map. So as you can see, it takes a few seconds and then the map is generated. And again, the generated mind map for the marketing strategy or anything that you will generate is fully customizable. You can add new branches and make it bigger and more full. Now let's try to generate a flowchart. So we just type in generate a flow for onboarding, and then the Vani AI does all of the magic and generates you a full-on flow. And again, you can change fully the steps, you can change the text and content and add additional steps if you need them. Moving to the other elements on the menu, first one is frames. You can add different frames to your workspace in different formats like A4, A5, landscape portrait, or from social medias. You can also add different types of text, and there are some templates with the text that you can customize. In the Elements tab, you can find different shapes, connectors, sticky notes, placeholders for images and the table, and also different types of grids. It's very easy to import different types of images. You can also import the videos and audios and files to your workplace, so it's very, very easy to use. Then in the structure, in the menu, you can find different types of structures like mind maps that are already pre-made in different configurations. There's also different types of stacks and also Kanban, which is very, very useful because there's pre-designed Kanbans and you can add more rows to add like different processes and stages of the project. You can also embed different types of codes and add different types of widget, for example, the timer, the stopwatch, or the poll. So if you're creating a different types of design or brainstorming, you can create a poll for your teammates to vote on the idea. Moving on to the other thing, which is a marketplace where you can find different types of extensions for marketing, design, diagramming, business, and personal. So for example, you can work on for the marketing on brochures, emails, or flyers, or newsletters, posters, social media posts, and web pages. You can also use different types of diagramming with advanced shapes and with different icons for AVS or Azure. And also for business, you can also create different types of invoices, business cards, and different types of designs. Within Elements, I also forgot to show you that with different types of shape, you can create different mind maps or processes very easily. By pressing on this dot, you can create the next shape in the line. You can also add the sticky notes that are color coded and change the colors of them. And you can very easily add the comments to the stuff that you're working on. So you will see all of the comments of you and your teammates in the comment section, and you can see where they are placed. And when you press on it, you can see the comment that has been placed, and you can see the name of the person that made that comment, which makes collaboration very easily. And the next feature I want to show you is Flow. It's a very useful feature. You can create basically a workflow from different types of frames. For example, if we're talking about social medias, we can create a content plan, then different types of posts as a flow. So first we post this, then the next post, and then the plan how we engage with the audience. And you can see it step by step by adding these elements to the flow. So it is very easy to show your team the process between different types of frames. When you're done creating your workspace, you can also share it with your teammates and collaborate on ideas together. You can also create a catch-up call and discuss everything that is on the whiteboard together, which is also a great feature that Vani provides. So as you can see, Vani is a great tool, especially for collaboration on the whiteboards and brainstorming ideas with your team. As you can see, Zoho Vani offers a lot of very useful features for any team that wants to use a whiteboarding tool. And also, if you're wondering if Zoho Vani will fit your business and if there's any alternative or better tools than this one, I made a full comparison of Zoho Vani with other popular whiteboarding tools that includes Miro, Mural, and FigJam, and you can check it out here in the corner or down below in the description box. I will leave a link to a video comparison. And from this comparison, I can truly say that Vani is one of the leaders on the market of whiteboarding tools, and it has the best value for money. But if you want to dive deeper, again, make sure to check out that video. If you have any questions about Zoho Vani or any other Zoho app, make sure to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We will answer all of your questions and help you to implement, customize, or integrate any Zoho app. If you have any additional questions, you can also leave them in the comments down below. We will make sure to answer all of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you. If you want to check out Zoho Vani, I will also leave the link down below in the description box with more information about it and a free trial if you want to try it out. And I really hope that this video was helpful for you and will help your team to understand how to use this tool better. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next week's video.